Okay, so I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. It's a blessed day, and a few tips for us to continue growing, expanding, and increasing in every area of our lives, not just business or forex, but in literally every area. Okay, so I think I have to explain something on the free trainings which are being held. These trainings are specifically for you to be able to have an account, because mostly when you are trading, you are going to need a trading account. So we are going to help you to set up your trading account in this training. And then also we are going to teach you how to use the signals which we provide so that you can be able to benefit from them from anywhere. Literally, when a signal is sent, all you have to do is just plug it in. Details will be sent to you. Plug them into that financial asset and then just wait. The work literally has been done already for you. And back here, Trade by Grace, I'm using the same as mod day trading strategy to trade my own personal accounts. And everybody who's trading is using the same strategy. So you're actually getting the same signal. When I enter, you are also entering. So I thought I would do that. 3 tips, and then we can enter into the trading session, and then I'll shed more light as we go on Wednesday on the episode of the Successful Forex Trader. So watch that out on YouTube also. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, be alerted every time we post a new video, and then you'll be geared up for more content on business, forex trading, and personal development. Raised by Grace signing out. Happy trading, massive profits, greater profits, exceed the limit, and I wish you all the best in everything you do. Raised by Grace signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.